Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Well, I guess you can see what I'm going to be doing today. The RX8's getting new U shocks for the rear because the back ends are squatted down. So I'm going to put these in, and I've already got half the car took apart. So I'm going to get into it and take you guys along. This may be short, but we'll get it done. eBay buy. So these are off in 07, so a little bit newer, a little stiffer. As you can see, I've got everything out of the car already. I've got the back pieces out so I can get to those there, and then the bottom ones. Well, a few hours later, I got one in. I still got to do the other side. So, alright, there's one in. Pain in the butt, but a lot of lube. And alright, let's see if I can get the other one done before dark. Yeah, I'm in the middle of it now. The other side's out. Let's get the other one in. You gotta take out that sway bar, which I was watching the videos of it on YouTube. Didn't tell me that, but anyway. Both of the end links come off. One of the brake sensors unbolts from here, and alright, let me get my vape. There's old ones there. Another hour or so getting that one out. This one's a little faster. This is the other one I need to get back in. Come on, let's go get it. Every freaking metric tool I can think of in the back of this thing. My wife's helping a little bit, so we'll get it in there. Oh, if I have enough time on this thing, so I can show you if I can put it in. I might give you a little time lapse. Alright, well, alright, I got these bars in. I got these bars in. I got it in down at the bottom. I got to put a bolt in it. I got to put that sway bar back in. And we'll be done with the RX8 new coil shocks swap. Alright. Be back when I get done. Well, you see I got it all bolted up. I still got to put the one way up in there, just one more in there. I got the link in, that one in. It all looped up. Maybe next time it'll be so easy. Yeah, the best way to do it is take this piece off right here, and that's what dropped it down a bit more. So then I still gotta put, oh sorry, I still gotta put this bracket on, and the nuts and bolts. It goes in, I think. Let's see if it goes. Let's see if it goes the other way. That's that tape. I don't know what that tape's for. Slides in there. And then there's that bolt I was looking for. Anyway, let's go here. And then let's go here. All day ordeal. Trying to get these out and in, but let's do it myself. These came off in 07. I didn't have it maybe 30 or 40,000 miles on it, so it was wrecked in the front end. And I made a deal with the seller to buy a set because he had them sold separately. So now to wrench them in, and then we'll be all done. I gotta put this little safety nut in. So, all right, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Sorry for a short video, but I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing to the RX8, and the next thing will be good wash and buffing. I'll get that up too. Y'all follow me on Instagram. Nate's Gate 74. Holler at you. Sub and like, guys.